Hey, Rem! How are you today? You look super energetic.
Hi, Robin. Yeah, I feel great today. I just came back from my morning run.
Wow! Morning run? That sounds healthy. Do you run every day?
Not every day, but I try to run at least 4 times a week. It helps me stay fit and positive.
That's awesome! I wish I had your energy. I usually just drink coffee and sit on my couch.
Haha. Oh, come on, Robin. You should try some sports. They're not just for athletes. They're fun and good for your body, too.
Maybe you're right. But honestly, I'm not sure which sport to start with. There are so many. Cricket, football, badminton, tennis. I get confused.
That's true. There are a lot of sports. But you can start with something simple, maybe badminton or cycling. Do you like any of them?
Actually, I used to play cricket when I was in school. My friends and I played every Sunday in the park.
Oh, really? That's nice. Were you good at it?
Haha, not really. I was more like the backup player, but I loved being on the field, shouting, cheering, and hitting the ball when I got the chance.
That's the spirit. Playing is more important than winning. Sports are about teamwork, energy, and fun.
True. And cricket is such a big thing in India. Everyone talks about it. Kids, adults, even grandparents.
Oh yes, I remember during World Cup matches, people don't move away from their TVs.
Laughs, exactly. Even streets get empty when India plays a big match.
Do you have a favorite cricket player?
Of course, I love Virat Kohli. His dedication, fitness, and confidence inspire me a lot.
Oh, I like him too. But my favorite is MS Dhoni. He's calm, smart, and a great leader.
Yes, Dhoni is a legend. The way he finishes matches is unbelievable.
You know, that's what I love about sports. They teach us so much. Teamwork, patience, discipline, and never giving up.
That's a beautiful thought, Rem. I think that's why schools encourage children to play sports. It builds character.
Absolutely. And it's not only about physical health. Playing sports also improves your mood and helps you manage stress.
You're right. When I play even a small game of table tennis, I forget all my worries.
Exactly. It's like therapy. And sports also bring people together. You meet new friends, share laughter, and sometimes even travel for matches.
Oh yes, I remember when I joined a local cricket club once. We traveled to another town for a friendly match. It was so exciting.
That's amazing. Did you win?
Nope. We lost. Laughs. But the experience was unforgettable. After the game, both teams had lunch together and laughed about funny moments.
That's the beauty of sports. Win or lose, you always learn something.
So true. Do you play any team sports, Rem?
Not really team sports, but I love swimming and badminton.
Oh, swimming. That's a great full-body exercise. How long have you been swimming?
Since I was 10, my dad taught me. I used to be scared of water, but now I can swim for an hour easily.
Wow, that's impressive. I can only float for 10 seconds before panicking.
Laughs. Don't worry. It's all about practice. You should join a swimming class.
Maybe I should. What about badminton? Do you play with friends?
Yes. Every weekend I play badminton with my neighbors. It's light, fun, and doesn't need a big ground.
Sounds great. Do you ever play doubles?
Yes, mostly doubles. I like playing with my friend Mira. She's so fast, I have to keep running just to keep up.
Laughs. That sounds like a good workout.
It is. After playing, we're always sweating and laughing at our silly mistakes.
I think sports like badminton or cycling are perfect for beginners. They're easy to start and not too expensive.
True. You don't need much equipment and you can play almost anywhere.
You know, after talking to you, I feel like starting something sporty again. Maybe I'll buy a badminton racket this weekend.
That's the spirit, Robin. Start small, stay regular, and have fun.
You're such a motivator, Rem. I think we should make sports a topic in every English class, too. It's full of useful vocabulary.
Oh yes, words like score, team, goal, match, practice, and tournament, they're great for conversation.
Exactly. And phrases like, let's play a match, or who's your favorite player, or what sport do you enjoy? All are easy and common.
Yes. In fact, sports topics help English learners connect with people easily. Everyone loves talking about their favorite team or player.
You're right. It's a universal language. Sports connect people from every country.
That's so true. You don't even need to speak the same language to enjoy a football match together.
Ha ha ha! Yes! When someone scores a goal, everyone just cheers. No translation needed.
Laughs exactly.
You know what, Rem? I'm going to set a new goal for myself. Play sports twice a week and talk about it in English.
Wow, that's a fantastic goal, Robin. You'll stay fit and improve your English at the same time.
Thanks, Rem. And you? Any new goals?
I'll try to learn more about new sports. Maybe tennis. I've always wanted to play it.
Great idea. We can motivate each other. You try tennis, I'll try badminton.
Deal. And next time we'll talk about how it's going.
Perfect. This was such a fun talk, Rem.
Yes, Robin, I really enjoyed it too. Talking about sports makes me happy and full of energy.
Same here. And I think our listeners will love it too.
Definitely. So friends, remember, sports aren't just games. They're a way to learn teamwork, stay healthy, and enjoy life.
Well said, Rem. So everyone listening, try to play your favorite sport this week and talk about it in English.
Practice this dialogue, learn new sports words, and tell us in the comments about your favorite game.
Yes, we'd love to hear your stories. Stay active, stay positive, and keep learning English with us.
See you next time on Mr. English Robson.
Bye-bye and keep playing.